Hello everyone, I'm Tilly Douglas from Visual Sense Crafts, and today I want to do the bloom technique, but I want to try this beautiful, I'm in love with this paint. It's the DecoArt Americana 24 karat gold. It's just so flipping gorgeous. Look at that bottle of beauty. So I'm trying that out today in this, I've not tried it in this technique. So I've mixed it with some polyacrylic varnish and some base C, the untinted paint from Valspar. So I'll put the pictures of those up so you know which ones I'm talking about. And I've mixed some Arteza, some blue and some red to give this beautiful rich burgundy. And I don't know whether you'll be able to see it, but I put some drops of this Liquitex Iridescent Medium in it, so that gives it a beautiful shimmer. So I don't know whether you'll be able to see it on camera, but it just looks so gorgeous. So I'm only using the two colours today, and I'm using my cell activator is the Amsterdam Titanium White mixed with the Australian FLOOD Floetrol, and I've also put a couple of drops of the Liquitex Iridescent Medium in that as well. So I'm hoping that's going to work okay, but it's all a little test. So I've covered my board. This is an 8 by 10 canvas. Yeah, an 8 by 10 canvas. So I've just given it a coat of the emulsion, and I've put some GAC in that GAC 800 to prevent any cracking. So just give it a quick torch with my super duper new torch. I've showed this torch before, but I feel like I need to show it you because I just love it. It's adjustable, so it adjusts right down to a little tiny flame and then right up to a fiercer one, and I just love it. So I'll leave a link to that in the description below so you know which one I've got. And I just put a puddle of this in the middle. Yeah. Now I need to pop these bubbles. Flipping bubbles, eh? I always seem to be popping bubbles. Right, can never get rid of all the bubbles, but we can but try. So all I'm going to do today, now this gold I'm expecting to take over the whole canvas really, because gold usually does, and this is quite a very vibrant gold. So I've mixed these, just this burgundy, just the same as I mixed the gold. So I'm going to put, because I'm only using the two colours, I'm going to put quite a decent sized puddle on there. And I'm going to attempt to blow this out with my hairdryer. So wish me luck with that. Because I've not tried it before with the hairdryer. I've done the Dutch pour. My previous video was like the Dutch pour kind of style, and I used my hairdryer for that. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, it's going to work with this one. But it's a bit of a different technique really. So there's our beautiful burgundy, and now, oh my goodness, look how gorgeous that gold is. Just so gorgeous. I know I'm putting a lot of gold on here because gold does take over. We know gold takes over, but I kind of want it to because I want a really rich golden picture here. So I can give that a little torch because it's got a few bubbles in there. So give that a quick torch just on the low setting. Now I'm going to put my cell activator on. And I'm hoping I'm going to be able to do this with my hairdryer because the camera's quite low. So this is my hairdryer that I've been using and it's been working lovely so far. And it's got a cool setting, so I'm going to do that. I'll just give that a little bit more of a torch. So, fingers crossed. Here we go. Sorry about the noise. And see what that does. Oh, that gold is beautiful. So beautiful. I'm going to blow down into the centre to, because we've got quite a big puddle of white in there still. If we blow straight down, it goes into the colour and brings the colour up. So that's looking quite nice, that is. That's looking really rather lovely. Yeah. And then just let that raise back up off the canvas a bit more where I've blown it into that centre. Oh, that gold is beautiful. Oh, it is so pretty. So we'll just waiting. So again, patience with this technique. Oh, the shimmer on it is so beautiful. So let's see how it goes. Is it ready to, is it going to move? I like all this wispy part down here. And we've got some lovely lacing down this side. So I'm quite happy to keep some white. I don't need to have the whole canvas covered with this. I'm quite liking the negative space. Take it off that corner and back again. Still a little bit stuck in that centre, you know, isn't it? Oh, that just, look how gorgeous. Can you see how gorgeous that looks? It's absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Oh, it just looks so pretty. So I'm going to take it up to that corner. Or maybe not right to the corner, but up a little bit. I don't know if I've got enough paint on that corner. Let me just put a bit more on there. Just get my hands a little white. It is a very mucky technique. I always get absolutely covered in paint doing this. Put a bit on these corners as well. That is looking so pretty, you know. I'm loving this pink flowy part down here because it reminds me of quite an old-fashioned kind of colour scheme. You know, like in the Victorian eras. And they were all in the pinks. It looks so pretty. So, let's see how we go with that. I don't want to tip it too much because I really quite like it as it is. I just want to see if that will just stretch out a little bit on that corner without squashing it up. Oh, that is just so beautiful. That middle is a little bit stuck there. I'm not going to take it right to the corner. I'm going to bring it down. I'll turn it around, it might be easier. Try not to drop it. Hey, it's just the sort of thing I do. Oh, I've dropped so many. I haven't completely ruined any, but so far. Oh, my poor husband, Neil. I did some heart-shaped tiles, coasters, some wooden heart-shaped ones, and they look so lovely. They look beautiful. I did a video of them, so you can see the video. And then he decided to go and have a look at them, and lifted the box up, because I put them under the box to stop them drying, the cardboard box, and the box had stuck to the paper. And they all went tipping up. Oh, he was so upset. I couldn't be cross with him because he was so upset with himself. Poor Neil. I'm just pleased it wasn't me. Oh, my gloves stuck to the masking tape underneath. Oh, well, I really like that. I don't want to do too much to that because I really like it as it is. I'll bring it back to the centre a bit. I think that looks gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. No, I don't want to mess with it too much. So what I might just do... Oh, we always mess with it, don't we? I'm not going to mess with it, but I might just... I'm going to blow that little bit over there with my good old turkey baster. So let's use my head. I don't like the hard edges, I like to soften the edges, because these are nice soft edges and I think they look so pretty. I don't want to ruin that bit of lace in there. There, that's better, I like that better. Oh, it's beautiful. So pretty. Let me bring you down for a close-up. So here's the close-up of it, and I can't really get the light so it shines the beautiful gold. It looks more yellow on the camera, but the gold is so beautiful and sparkly. So look at all that gorgeous lacing. Look how pretty that looks. It just looks so beautiful. And the iridescent sparkle from the Liquitex Medium in the Burgundy just looks so pretty. I can't really get the sparkle of the gold on the camera. It's absolutely beautiful. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And feel free to share my video. It all helps us little YouTubers. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.